Our enterprise is a part of the holding company for the production of pharmaceuticals in Fur. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for production, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the moisture level, melting time, transparency, time of disintegration and dissolution, the quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully meet the requirements of hygiene, it was necessary to take the issue of equipment selection seriously. After replacing the water supply source last year, we were faced with the need to improve water quality. The technical water used for the production of preparations, according to laboratory tests, did not provide an acceptable level of hardness. To eliminate this deficiency, it was necessary to soften water. I, as chief technologist of the plant, was tasked to find a device that would provide water treatment in the preparation of pharmaceutical solutions. The material from which the equipment is made must be durable and wear resistant. In addition, the system should provide disinfection, bifurcation of water so that water quality fully complies with the requirements of sanitary regulations. I'm used to doing my job properly and work only with professionals. I took the choice of water treatment systems seriously. I did not use the internet to search for equipment, because often a pretty picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production that was held in Moscow. There were many water purification systems at the exhibition, from different manufacturers, and from different countries. I've chosen 3 that best fit my needs, and contacted their representatives. I had to agree the system with the management, and then sign a contract for the delivery. Back at the company, I started contacting the representatives of the equipment manufacturers by phone. A company from Germany agreed to supply a water treatment system, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. Unfortunately, I could not travel to the European Union, as I did not have a visa, and the visa process would have taken at least 3 months. One company from China sent me a catalog of products by mail. I chose for a long time, but I do not understand what kind of water quality provides this equipment. What is the permissible amount of water purification? The third manufacturer from Krasnodar listened to me and said they would be able to make the equipment for water treatment and softening, iron removal function only after 6 months. Citing the large volume of orders, I had to refuse because I needed the machine in the shortest possible time. The machine had to be found, and I realized that I could not do it alone. This made me a little less confident. However, the manager of the company in Krasnodar helped me out here. He suggested a specialist in pharmaceutical equipment supply, who could find another option of equipment. Following his advice, I turned to a specialist intermediary company from Moscow. At that time, I had no idea that I was doing the right thing. The manager of the company listened to me, asked some questions about the required productivity, tolerance of the equipment. I was pleased with his professional and business-like approach. After a preliminary consultation, he suggested a variant of water treatment system for the production of drugs, which is ideally suited for my specified parameters. Specialist of this company sent by email a video of the machine, which clearly demonstrates the equipment and its characteristics. 4 main hoppers for different stages of water purification, connected together by a system of pipes and manometers, which show the pressure figures in the machines. I coordinated the proposed apparatus, and a week later we signed a contract for its delivery. 1 month after the contract was signed, we received the equipment. The water treatment system was made of high-quality stainless steel. All indicators of water, hardness, iron and cod complied with the requirements for water quality for the production of pharmaceuticals. I am satisfied with the result of the work done. Initially, I was skeptical about choosing a manager, relying on my own experience, but I realized that one should always learn, and not be afraid to trust a professional.